all the latest updates, please subscribe.
हाल ही में फिल्म रुत्यात्रा की म्यूजिक लॉन्च पर पहुंची ब्यूटी क्वीन ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन, जहां उनका बेहद ही दिलकश अंदाज देखने को मिला। आपको ये बता दें कि यहां उन्होंने अपने मुंह भोले भाई विक्रम को लेकर भी काफी सारी बातें कही। वैसे आपको बता दें कि ऐश्वर्या को यहां थोड़ा इमोशनल देखा गया। वैसे इसी के साथ ही ऐश्वर्या ने जो बातें कही, आइए आपको सुनाते हैं।
लेटेस्ट मी कोणी पण पिक्चर नाही बघितले, neither Hindi nor Marathi. I haven't recently watched many movies because I've just been a little personally occupied, so I haven't really watched many movies. So I'm sorry, I will not be able to belt out latest names for you. Way back in the past I have, but I'm not going to mention those titles because it's really way back in the past. Do I enjoy cinema? Of course, I'm an actor. We all enjoy cinema. So I hope to be able to answer that question on another forum. But I want to add to what Mukta was saying earlier, which is very true about Vikram. Before Vikram is already getting antsy to wrap it up, so I definitely want to say, to add to what she was saying and to answer your question, where of course, as members of the media, you will appreciate Vikram's ability to come up with ideas on how he should go about promoting his film, as he must. Because that is the call of the day, and that's happening in every aspect of, in every language, in on every film. So I don't see any reason why we should be questioning how and why. In fact, I think one needs to appreciate his ability to still keep it true and bring magic to every platform that he has chosen, whether it was a trailer launch, whether it's a music launch, or whether it was Muhurat, or what he's looking for ahead. And the fact is, yes, he has forged amazing friendships over all these years, and that's what you're getting to, obviously, I guess, witness on all these platforms as well. But you've seen it otherwise as well, on his shows or socially. He has, that's the kind of person he is. I know him right from way back in the beginning, modeling days. And I have to tell you this thing of how he once came to my home on Raksha Bandhan. Very sweetly, tie me Rakhi. You can be my sister. I was like, wow, he's chosen. You be my sister, but you tie me Rakhi. And how sweetly it brought me a Ganesh Murti. And he said, keep this. This is my good wishes for you. And whether or not we do this customarily every year, I'll always be there. And I will always regard you, my sister. And without us necessarily making a big song and dance about it over the years, there is that quiet, true bond. He did want to make a movie over 10 years ago. And Shamak would know of this, and he had spoken to us, and then, I mean, that didn't come to be. There's a time for everything we were talking about recently, and this was meant to be it, and I'm so glad his first movie is in his mother tongue. It is in the language, it's the story he wants to eventually tell. There's a right time, and that blessing comes from up there. And even then, back then, when he had narrated the subject to Shamak and me, and we were on board because he was so passionate, and he still is. And he's like this little excited boy giving instructions and fully revved up. And that's what you need to enjoy cinema. You have to enjoy it. You have to enjoy every aspect of creativity, because cinema is a melting pot of so many creative talents. And when you're involved in every aspect of it, you enjoy it. And God bless you, Vikram, and kudos and congratulations to your entire team, and your parents must be so proud. Their blessings and all our love. God bless you. And the whole team. Saglanla Shubhecha.
Next to 9 Newsroom से अजय की रिपोर्ट।